fully aware of the potential to drop this phone, so if it happens, it's not that I'm absent-minded. Okay, that's it. Get this stored away. So we're here doing our third take on this because the rain is actually hitting the lens of the digital video camera, so I want to try to make this as short and as brief as possible. I happen to be down at a good friend's cottage in Guilford, Connecticut sometime over the last summer. I saw an extremely low tide. I said, geez, I'd like to come back and photograph when the sun comes up and, you know, backlights that low tide. So I did a little bit of research, found myself back here in October. Unfortunately, the tide wasn't as low as it was in June. I did some further research, finding an extremely low tide in February would coincide with a sunrise. Came back in February to a bitter, bitter cold morning. You may have already seen part of that video. Nevertheless, it was so cold that the actual seawater was frozen to a slushy point. I wasn't actually expecting that or anticipating that, so that wasn't the optimum shot that I was after either. I find through some more research that another low tide would happen, as it happens, on Easter morning, April 1st, 2018, and that's where we are right now. Unfortunately, it's raining. So, using this as an educational type of video, you know how much research I put into just this one particular photographic opportunity that has yet to materialize. Nevertheless, I think it might be a learning experience that large format photographers and photographers in general don't just show up someplace and the magic all happens. There is some research that goes into it, and right now I need to get my camera, myself, and the video guy out of the rain. So we'll pick this up later on in the darkroom and finish up this explanation.